To withdraw cryptocurrency from Atomic Wallet, start by opening the app and logging into your account. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and click on the Send button. Then, open an exchange platform, such as Binance or Coinbase, and navigate to the Assets option. From there, click on the Deposit button and select the Deposit Crypto option. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive, for example, Bitcoin, and select the network. You will then be provided with a deposit address, which you should copy. Return to Atomic Wallet, paste the deposit address, enter the amount you want to transfer, and click Send. This will initiate the transfer of your cryptocurrency from Atomic Wallet to the exchange platform. Once the transfer is complete, you can convert your cryptocurrency into US dollars or another currency and transfer it to your bank account.